Yes.
So, given P is midpoint of point of BC. Am I right?
Yes.
And also given that Q is midpoint of BR. Am I right? And what we are supposed to prove? We are supposed to prove AR is equal to 1/3 of AC. So if you go through the problem, this is AR and you have to prove that this is 1/3 of AC. 1/3 of AC means what? There should be another point where AR is equal to, let us say this is RF is equal to CF.
So
This
Q
what-
is the midpoint of AP, not
Q is midpoint of
AP.
AP, sorry, I have drawn AP. Q is midpoint of AP. Okay, so we have to prove that this AC is trisected. So this is not given, okay, we have to press. So first thing what we do is let us draw PF parallel to QR. PF parallel to QR. Draw PF parallel to QR. Okay. Now in triangle, what is this triangle? APF. In triangle APF, PF is parallel to QR. Okay. And what is this? Q is midpoint and Q is midpoint of AP. Q is midpoint of AP. So what will happen? Do you remember converse of BPT theorem? What is converse of BPT theorem?
If the two sides are.
What is BPT theorem?
If
If a line is drawn parallel to one side, it intersects the other two sides in distinct points and that too in proportion. Is it right? So what is the converse of midpoint theorem which we studied in grade 9? If you draw a line parallel to one line and if it passes through the midpoint, so then it bisects the third side. Understood or not? So by converse of midpoint theorem, or you can write, we can take it as BPT also. By midpoint theorem, what is that? R is midpoint of AF. Is it right? So that implies AR is equal to FR. This is first equation. Understood? Did we get these two are equal?
Yes.
Now if I prove that these two are equal or this one and this one is equal, then we can say that it is trisected. Now check the other one. If you take, see these two are parallel, right? So what is the triangle formed over here? Is it a triangle formed?
Yes.
What is this triangle? In triangle BCR. In triangle BCR, PF is parallel to BR. PF is parallel to BR. Is it right or wrong?
Yes.
We have constructed PF parallel to QR. But is QR, when we extend, will it become BR?
Yes.
So that means PF is parallel to
Yeah.
BR. Is it right? So, and what is P?
Midpoint of
And the P is
midpoint of BC.
midpoint of BC. So according to the converse of midpoint theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side and it passes through the midpoint of other side, then it bisects the
Third side.
third side. So biconverse of midpoint theorem. Biconverse of midpoint theorem. F is what?
Half of RC.
F is midpoint of
RC.
RC, right? So that implies RF is equal to
CF.
CF. So this is second equation. So now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What is 1? AR is equal to FR. AR is equal to FR. That is equal to
CF.
CF. Understood or not? So is it trisected?
Yes.
So therefore, otherwise you can write it as AC. You can write it as AR plus RF plus FC. Because we want AR, let us write AR in all places. Can we write
Yes.
from third? Okay? From 3. So that is equal to 3AR is equal to AC. Is it right? So that implies when you transpose 3, it will become 1/3 of AC. It's true. Understood everybody?